Boys, we got a big fucking update. Look at that! We got a motor, it's in the car, and it runs. Right now we need to get it tuned because it is dumping a fuck ton of fuel. It's got 1200cc injectors in there with a stock tune. So obviously you would imagine that you are drowning the spark plugs with that much fuel. So we're waiting for that. I gotta put a tensioner in this bad boy because Nissan thought it was a great idea to fuck everyone over and make the worst tensioners in the world for your belts. And biggest update of them all, packaged today, we got Z1 M Spec dual exit exhaust Y-pipe back. So without further ado, let's bust this bitch open. And take a gander. Oh, here's some fat tips. Wow. Comes with a little Allen wrench. I think that's for the silencers because this boy is loud. Really wishing I had a knife right now. Damn, now that is a good looking exhaust. Wow. Fuck yeah. Yep. And this box is a little bit beat up, I guess, I would say. Fucking open this bad boy.
Is this really how you do unboxings?
Yep, you fucking destroy the box on the way out. It's a big fat 3-inch straight pipe. This one's going pretty loud.
Straight pipe.
Wow! Yep, it's loud.
Straight pipe, just like Justin.
Just like Justin. It's got a nice V-band on it. That's fucking nice. Good welds. Clean AF. Should fit up nicely. And last but not least, we got the merge collecting Y-pipe. Damn, they really want me to fucking go to Z-Con, huh? Shit.
Guys, go to Z-Con.
I guess I better show up in Atlanta, Georgia sometime soon. Holy fuck, dude, we got so many of these bad boys.
Tell your friends.
There we go.
They gave you more Z-Cons.
More Z-Cons in there, boy. More Z-Cons in there. Shit. Got gaskets. Got a little V-band clamp. Got a big old hanger. More Z-Cons. And here's the real pipe we're looking for. This is the only one that's fucking got bubble fucking shit in it. This is the Y-piper. Makes the most sense there. Maybe not. You get the point. It's another pipe.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and get it all fitted up and then show you a little picture of what it looks like all fit up. And then we're gonna go ahead and install it. Might be a video of that, might not. I don't know. Could be a bitch. Alright boys, we got the stock exhaust out of this bitch. We're gonna go ahead and jam the new boy in there. This is gross and fat, and if you want to buy it from me, message me, I guess. I don't want it. So we got the G35 extension on here. Got the V-band on there snug but not tight so we can move it around the way we need to. And the muffler's going to go on last. I'm going to wear some spandex gloves to make sure they don't get all fingerprinty. And yeah. I meant latex gloves, not spandex. Alright boys, she's sitting on the ground. Exhaust is in. Took a little bit in order to make everything fit up correctly. But check it out. Still need to adjust this right side tip. It's a tiny bit out further than the left side. Had to play with the V-band and all that to get it all right, but she sits in there. And she's in there. Took the silencers out. Looks nice. Gotta say, Z1 definitely makes some quality parts, and they all usually fit pretty damn well. Just need to do a little bit of shoving around and stuff, but besides that, everything went in super smoothly. And she should start the second I get this uprev tune in. I put her down and did a little alignment with my Z1 toe arms and my SPC camber arms down there. So she just needs to get started up, broken in, and then taken for a rip. She's begging for it. There she is.